mean, like... My mom is sitting over there, and she's staring at me like I'm a lunatic. Right, Mom? I'm gonna post this, even with the laughing. You think that's a bad idea? Okay, so this is the 3 things I love about the rain, because it was raining before, and I'm really just not that creative. So, there you go. Number 1, I love the smell. That smell that you get after it's finished raining. That smell, I love it. I love it so much. Number 2 is going to have to be the fact that it's freezing, obviously, it's raining, and, you get to stay inside while it's raining and have cocoa and cover yourself with blankets and be warm, and I love that. And, number 3 is going to have to be just the rain. I think it's really pretty, and I like rainbows a lot. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye!